one below is so tall.
Ayan, mayroon na silang mga kanya-kanyang breakfast. Si Sak hindi daw kumuha. Parang ang bango. Parang ang sarap ng ano nila. Pa-breakfast. Wala tayo kasi sabi ko ayoko. Pero parang ang sarap ng amoy. Si Sak hindi kumuha. Gusto na ni Sak mag-charge kasi 2% na. Okay na. 2% na lang siya. Ang foggy pa din. And nakapost na yung ating vlog. Si Willow maon na. Doon na sila.
I just bottle that much.
Wow.
So much slow.
Kalat.
I guess that right.
Yeah, you can't.
May egg siya.
When it's charging in the car. What?
Watch your egg. County resident might splurt out.
No, it's hard. I watched it.
Yeah.
It's good. It's so
I'll
soft.
get below the talk. You're gonna. That's what? What's wrong with it?
It's not. There's no sauce.
Yeah, I'm not.
Why?
Hey, someone can have the rest of my sauce.
Yeah, babe.
Daddy will.
Share it. Put a little bit in yours, TJ, a little bit in
No,
mine.
I'll just have one with that sauce.
Oh.
No, but I'll wait till we stop again.
Why?
No, eat it.
No, because it's too hot.
Oh.
It's
Well,
nice.
we're not gonna
It's
stop
not.
for
It's
a while,
not.
mate.
It's not. It's nice, but it's not that hot.
No, mine was freshly cooked.
There's no way that you're gonna just sit there and look at that. You fucking gut thing. Maybe I'll help yourself.
I finished my sauce. Finish that one. That one. Hatian niya raw ako.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, Holly.
Okay. I'm good.
Yeah, I will get out of my way. Well, it's just got frost all over him.
Great.
Dapat kunin mo na to bago ko ito maubos.
Okay, might as well just get in here. Oh, look, look at that.
The bottom is hard to rock. Can't light that.
What you got, Baba? Oh, that's a good one too, Baba.
Must be in a bit of a hole in there.
How do you feel cough saliva?
COF.
Yep.
F.
Oh, I got it.
Ah, sarap na.
8 minutes.
How many hours?
8?
In 30 minutes. 8 hours and 30 minutes. 6 ng
You
gabi.
just copy that off Willow.
8, anong oras na? 8:34, 8:06 dito.
You have to pay.
Add
that.
silang third,
What?
like 30 minutes.
It's like going to the highway.
Right. Oh, in the tunnel, yeah.
Yeah.
May time check, 10:15. Nag-stop lang saglit dito para mag-toilet. Si Kuya tsaka si Max nandun sila. Ayan si Jan tsaka si Willow. Si Max tsaka si Kuya yun. Nagpapasan sila ng bola doon. Ayan. Si Sak nandito lang sa loob ng car tsaka si Holly.
Maybe I just don't know shit at all. 'Cause every time I think I found the one, it always ends in a disaster. Then we act like we'll stay friends. Maybe
Nasa city na pala tayo. Daming road work and truck. Malapit na tayo dun sa mahabang tunnel.
You put it on now, not hot.
It is freaking hot, isn't it? Jacket right.
Cold. Take 7 minutes.
What?
Joe.
Oh, it's nice in here.
Maybe I'm selfish. Maybe I'm all of the above. Count up the X's. What am I supposed to even do? 'Cause every time I meet somebody new, it goes up in flames, disaster. How could we ever stay friends? What am I supposed to even do? I'm so sick of love. 'Cause honestly, I think I've had enough. I'm so done with love. What do I keep holding on? Maybe I'm dumb. Maybe I'm clueless. Maybe I'm all of the above. It's so confusing. Maybe I'm blind. Maybe I'm selfish. Maybe I'm all of the above. Count up the X's.
So? Doesn't matter. Just pressing it, then it's blinking. Oh, get out the way. Hey, Yanni. What are you doing? How much is this? 500. Dang.
Yan na yung ating mga dinadaanan. Ang ganda ng mga gilid.
Bottom of the hill here.
What I say?
Stone, mountains.
Roger.
Why'd you pick this one?
Ayun, basta ang ganda ng scenery dito. Hindi lang nabibigyan ng justice ng ating camera. But ang ganda ng dinadaanan natin. That's mountains, right? But this one, this side, all these sides.
Yeah. Like bin chicken.
Ganda.
It's stunk.
Huh?
Stunk, yes. Hurry up though before we get there.
Hey. Wow!
You gotta go up that hill.
Wow! Wow! Yanni, look. Yeah, this is the Sydney Harbour Bridge. Yay! Listen. It's shaky. It's shaky.
Zach, hurry up, bash it, bash it, bash it. Where
Where are we going? No, you can just force it.
I'll
Just
have
gonna-
a little look again.
Rest area. We've been here before.
I remember, do you?
Yeah, with the Bincho.
Yeah.
Ayun si Max. Yeah, ang dami rin caravans dito, hindi lang tayo.
$1,000.
For that precision.
Why? Straight.
Precision.
Yun si Zach.
How far can we go back, Ron? Can you go up and tell me? What's all made of
Yeah.
Stretch tayo. Second day na ang ating damit. Gusto ko na maligo. Yung mukha ko. Ay! Ano yan? Meron tayong pimples. You alright, Baba?
Open, but
Yeah. That's alright. What do you wanna get here? Your greens? Do you wanna drink your green? Huh? Okay. How's that kahay? Phoenix ko siya ng madali ang kanina.
violet that I left.
Violet. You left Violet here.
I need to brush my hair.
Yeah. Ay, hala. Someone didn't lock this.
That was the last one.
Ah. Huh?
That was the last one.
Get your greens. big one now, Baba. Okay?
That's bigger.
Yeah.
What? I can't drink that.
Yes, you can.
I can't.
Just drink half.
What?
Orange. Yeah, you can just drink half. You don't have to drink all. Just drink half. Tayo orange. Done? No, half. Good there. Oh. Si Jan sabi niya, hindi raw siya inom today. Not now.
Is this side good? Is this side good? Look. Is this side good? Is this side good?
Yeah.
What you make?
Ibang ko raw sila ng salami and cheese. Oy! Okay. So, yeah, no worries.
Do you want to stay in here, babe, and have a sleep while we drive?
Yeah, I would.
Oh yeah, it'd be friggin' striking you'd end up feeling sick.
No, can I?
Huh?
That looks good.
Alright, baby.
I need to get violet.
Get violet.
I'll give you a fresh air. You probably can't stick. Yes, I should get fresh air.
One for Ben and one for Johnny boy.
I'm putting the cheese and bacon into the card.
Okay.
Oh, is that shot properly?
Yeah.
Push it as hard as I can.
Naririnig ko na yung mga bean chooks. Or no, not chooks. Bean chickens. Bean chickens.
Dad,
Ang ingay na nila.
Dad.
Ayan. Ayan yung lunch nila. Ni Chan tsaka ni Ben. Ah. Tapos to bean. Nasa natin yung crowns. Dito na muna siya kasi hindi natin siya mahugasan. Wala tayong tubig. Okay. Binigyan ko muna si Ben ng orange juice. Turo din kay Jan. Yan! Kuha tayo ng chips. Ito yung kimchi. And ito. Ay, may nagaraya din. Puros junks yung kinakain natin sa road. Pero pagdating natin dun sa kung saan tayo magstay ng 4 weeks sa Yamba. Kasi first night namin sa Kausarba. Magstay kami doon ng 1 night. Then the next day Yamba na tayo. Doon tayo kakain ng Master Chef. Nandito yung mga bata eh. Saan na sila? Ang dami pa naman dito ng sasakyan din. Mabibilis magpatakbo. Ayun. Dito sila. I have orange juice there, Max. Fresh squeeze.
Oh,
Ito.
it's like he puts his stuff in there.
Smile. Holly. Kaya, Isaac. Kuya, see? I didn't get it properly. Come on. Kuya, Isaac. Come on, smile properly. Nagpagawa siya ng salami wrap. And nandito yung mga bean chickens. Ayan. Yan yung mga nag-aatake ng mga basurahan. Last time, sa Yamba, sila talaga, paggising namin, nakakalat yung aming mga bin. Dahil sa kanila. Ayan. Don't, Baba. Hala, they're coming. Hala. Charger.
You're right behind.
Charger.
You're right behind.
Where? Charge ng phone si Kuya. Sila nag-lunch, tayo hindi. Gusto sanang kainin yung tira nating.
No.
Ayaw sa ni Kuya kasi shrimp.
Oh, what?
Is there a car even on?
Yeah.
I can't hear it.
Sarap sana yung
Go again, go again.
You want that smell?
vinegar sauce.
Oh,
No, Mum,
why
please.
would you open them in here?
Wow.
They stink.
I'd rather smell that abattoir. Oh,
Ayaw.
that car. Got
Ayaw
cars
nila yung
everywhere.
amoy. Hindi kayo busog na.
I'd rather smell that freaking river.
You left your sock.
Not anymore. Can I try, Mum?
Yeah, ano yan. 5 hours more. Papuntang Sarba. Mainit na. Umiinit na dito. Pimples na tayo.
Why does it sound like that?
Just 'cause you don't
So,
smoke.
look at how they car is.
He's not looking.
Did you beat that?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Sarap.
Just come out there and hit me.
I don't
What?
want any more.
Okay.
Smiley faces in the vapor, counting corners till we get to any place but where I'm at. Every exit's getting louder. I'd assure you that it's nothing, but you never saw it coming, none of it. But then I could
That guy was
now.
smoking in the truck, the one before.
Part of me wants you to see.
Paggas muna tayo. Yan yung time sa SA.
Am I going to get out
12:49.
through there?
And at dito is 117. Ang kitad ng hindi natin kumakalabas tayo dyan kasi may mga car doon sa harapan. Eh, alam nyo naman mahaba tayo. Okay, good luck. How we gonna get out here, hon? Where's Kuya? Si Kuya tinutulungan siya. Nandun sa likod si Kuya.
Yeah, be right.
Eh, kailangan niya ng
Oh, hapin.
Hapin niya.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah. Kailangan lang mag-wide. Para makalabas tayo.
Oh, there's no sugar.
Hmm?
Yeah, it's zero sugar. I'm gonna get through.
Okay. Ayun na si Ben.
Right.
I think.
Yeah, we're good.
Hell no. Oh, hell no.
You're good. You're good. Where's the caravan? Wala pa dyan. Where's the caravan? Ayan na siya.
Hey, Mom.
What's that?
Water.
Ah, thank you. Pakuha tayo ng tubig. Friends, dami ko na. Padalawa na akong ganito. Simula kagabi. To give them away. There's another traffic emergency patrol. Sana okay lang. Go this way, bro. Ang bilis. Sana okay lang. Why did you get any videos sa akin?
I haven't gone past or seen it.
Sabi niya kasi, should I give
Still
this to the
moving.
should I give this to
You
the
must hit
news?
the rail.
Diba? Oh, wala na tayong pail na natin. Tunaw na yung ating funda kahapon. No, cushion na ako kahapon. Sabi ni Zach, should I give this to the news? Dahil sabi ni John, the video that I took. Kasi kanina ang bibilis ng ambulance.
Yeah.
Ambulance. Please, nag-move pa tayo. It's the ambulance. Don't move your head. Fire. Oh, fire truck. Hala. I hope it's not that bad. Hala, meron another one. Fire truck naman. Oh. Parang malala ang nangyari doon. Kasi pang ilang fire truck na yun.
He's over there.
No, it's a truck. Zach, don't put your head out.
Chopper, Dad, chopper.
Yeah, chopper. Ah, may chopper na, guys. Oh, siguro very bad ang accident. May chopper na. Dito yan sa M1 Pacific Motorway, Newcastle, Sydney. Ay, hindi nyo makita. Ayan. Ayan, sa M1 Pacific Motorway, Newcastle, Sydney. Oh, diba? Hala, another ambulance, babe. Wala, another. Where there's a truck coming. No, because there's another one. Oh, it's on your way, babe. Hala, I hope they're okay.
Dad, go, turn, Dad, go, go.
Zach, shush. Yeah, it must be. Are we close, huh?
That didn't go down there. Yeah, we're close.
Oh.
Where's the chopper?
No, there's the car.
No, not that one.
There's the
Well,
crash
he's
on
gonna
there.
try to turn around this car.
What's that? Where
We
going?
must have to move over.
Where's all the cars from here?
Dad, we must have to move over and he's moving.
Alam, matatagalan tayo dito. Ganyan naka-traffic. Traffic. And tingnan niyo yung camera ni Jan. Yung likod ng caravan.
Look at that one, Dad.
What? Well, we tried to look a bit long.
Yung mga nasa truck, babe. They're getting out.
Truck?
No.
Hi, Max.
Dito muna tayo ma-stuck kasi hindi na nagmo-move. Yung mga ibang nasa truck nagbabaan na din andoon, no? Si Jan bumaba na
Dad,
rin.
you're getting fueled right now.
Ayan, nagmo-move na.
No, you got fuel.
Mauna kami kay Willow.
Oh, that's not it.
Yes. It's in this side.
Which side?
This side.
Caravaner as well.
Caravan, babe.
Yeah.
Hello, caravan.
Oh,
Look.
what happened?
Dad, look where we are, right under the water as well.
It's lucky I didn't go.
Yes. See, is that?
I don't want your face in it, Mum.
Ah, sorry. It's a caravan, guys. Slow down, hon.
Two.
Caravan. Hala, babe. And
A van.
a van. Oh my God. Slow down, hon.
No,
Oh.
Caravan's good.
that's
Put your camera down.
Sack your camera, son.
Mum, look there.
Oh my God, that's much.
Young fella as well, Dad. Dad,
It's nearly underwater.
What?
it would have been that bottom one.
Oh, the
Look
bottom
at
one would have been up to the bottom of it.
it. Yeah, it probably was. There's another way we came from.
Yeah, it was over that bridge. Out here we turned. And
No, I mean, this is the first time we come here.
yeah. And then when we come back, we go on the other.
The other,
bridge.
yeah.
I swear we've been on this one.
Yeah.
I've been to Newcastle before.
Another stop. Kasi naiinitan na sila. Si Sak gusto niya ulit magpagawa ng sandwich. Eto, i-charge ko to sa caravan. Hopefully, ma-charge. Oh. Oh, eto, chinarge ko. Nag-charge. 73% na. Good, good, good. Yeah, I do have in the car, yeah. Get in the car.
No, I do.
Yes, I have. I just got one. Gusto niya ng...
Just.
Yeah. Gusto niya magnagaray. Si Sak gusto mag... Sak, sandwich or...
We'd have a wrap, remember?
Yeah, Sak!
They're all the way over there.
Sandwich ba ang gusto niya? Oops. Wrap na lang. Itong last.
Watch out.
Same.
What's that cheesy at?
No, no. The shredded one.
Oh, thanks, boss.
Welcome. Last one na yan. Wala na. Ubos na. Ayan sila, ah. Kumuha ko na Activia. Hey, baby. Kagigising niya lang. Come on. Nowhere. Do you want to play outside? No. Oh. Oh. 3 more hours, Baba.
You gotta be kidding me.
What? Dinada. What? Yeah. Nahanap ni Kuya yung nagaraya. Yeah. This akin. Okay, let's go. No, that's the water. Water. 3 more hours? How many hours?
2.5.
2.5? Okay. How many, yeah? Accurate si Kuya. How many hours, Kuya?
3.
3.
On the dot?
Oh, look at that boy sleeping there. Oh. Look at that.
No, alright.
Relaxing. Oh, pagod na siya kakadrive. Naglatag lang siya ng ano,
3 hours
No.
24 minutes.
ng kumot sa ilalim ng ano, dun sa malapit sa car niya. Tapos pilo, nakahiga siya. Siguro malayo rin yung biyahe niya. Tapos yung aso niya nasa tabi niya lang. Baba, you want? Oh, you're sweet.
Do you have another one?
What?
You like it?
No, I'll save you some.
Nah, sugar out.
Okay. Tari. So, itong dinadaanan namin ay, ito yung binaha nung, is it 1 week ago, honey? Was it 1 week?
Absolutely.
Kay, oh, 2 weeks. Magto 2 weeks na ata. Kaya, na-cancel yung aming Crescent Head. Kasi dito, baha to. Nag-clearing up pa nga sila kasi marami pa kayo nakikita mga bulldozer. Ayan yung mga hay, nasa pagilid. Tapos marami rin kita mga, alam niyo yun, yung mga nasirang furniture nasa gilid lang. Dito ko na lang pinaw kasi eto, walang pag-asa. Buksan ko pa lang, wala na, nadaanan na natin. So, tapos ngayon umuulan. So, 2 weeks ago, may mga sarang road dito, hindi raw makadaan, somewhere dito. Ayun, umuulan. Nakatulog yan si Holly, si Sak tulog. Lampasan na natin yung Sydney. Hindi tayo naman sa Sydney. Inikutan lang namin kasi hindi tayo pwede sa city. And umulan na. 5:20 na guys. Nasa kalsada pa rin tayo. Ilang oras pa ha? How many hours? An hour? And 30 minutes pa. Nakatira na talaga tayo dito sa kalsada. Umalis tayo kahapon 4:30. Ngayon 5:20 na. So 24 hours na may tayo nasa kalsada. May 2 hours nap lang kami ni Jan. Yun lang. And, yeah, pagod na ang lahat. Yung malapit na parang layo-layo pa. Kasi ang daming road work. Oh. Ayan. Close ang road work. Close ang road. No, close ang road. Ang daming road work dito. Malapit na kami. Left, yeah. Okay. Dito na tayo. Papasok na tayo sa Big 4. Park Beach. Ayun. Hindi nyo makita. Madilim na. Kaya naka-check-in na tayo. Nakakuha na siya ng card key para makapasok tayo. Gusto ko nang kumain, maligo. Yan, dito na tayo. Matutulog lang tayo dito ng isang gabi. Tapos, alis ulit tayo bukas. Papuntang Yamba. Yan ang caravan natin. And gusto ko nang kumain, maligo at matulog. Dito tayo magdi-dinner sa Dahowi Moe Park Beach. Ayan. Where we gonna... Where's the entrance? Dito na tayo sa loob.
Kind of like drum chicken tenders.
Ang daming gusto kainin sa... Ayan pala, meron tayo ditong lemon bitter.
Mate,
And yung aking dinner, itong grass-fed black Angus scotch fillet with Diane mushroom. 300 grams siya.
And then I'm gonna have balls.
Dito na yung aming cheesy garlic bread. May tinawagan lang si John. Kay Max, si chili garlic sa kanya. Kakaiba yung cheesy garlic nila. Parang may bacon.
He recommended it.
Pizza kay John. Eto sa akin. I haven't started yet. Tinatanong ko niya kung busog na raw ako. So, kain tayo. Kain. Deserve natin to. Ayan kay Sax. Same sila ni Holly. Ang perfect ng pagkaluto. Oh. Okay, kain na kami. Tapos na kayo mag-dinner. Ayan, yung mga bata dito sa playground. Ang dami pa nilang energy. Ako wala ng energy. Gusto ko nang maligat matulog.
Because